Today's topic is anemia. Anemia is a health condition caused by a low amount of red blood cells. The red blood cells are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the blood, and a low count means that the body will lack oxygen and suffer from a lack of supply. Anemia is typically measured according to the amount of hemoglobin a person has in their blood. The protein is present inside red blood cell and combines with oxygen, changing it into something the cells can carry. The effects anemia has on the body are usually symptoms caused by a lack of oxygen. Anemia is believed to affect around 1.6 billion people around the world, with women and people suffering from chronic diseases being the most at risk. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe my channel.